How much should you actually spend on a sewing machine for clothes? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Brother XM2701. The Brother XM2701 caught my eye right away with its lightweight design and 27 built-in stitches, priced at just $149. If you want something user-friendly without sacrificing features, this is worth a serious look. The automatic needle threader is a huge time saver, allowing you to get started without the usual frustration of threading needles. Plus, with a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, you can focus on your sewing without worrying about interruptions. It's received a solid 4.6-star rating from almost 19,000 reviews, showing that many others appreciate its reliability. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features. Here's the thing though, if you're a beginner or someone who enjoys simple projects, this machine covers your needs without overwhelming you. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want a reliable machine for basic sewing tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty capabilities or advanced features. For $149, it's a fantastic value for beginners. Product number 2, Singer Heavy Duty 4411. Next up, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4411, priced at $189.99. This machine is all about power and speed, making it perfect for those tougher fabrics. If you want something that can handle denim or thick materials, this one's worth a serious look. This means you can tackle everything, from everyday repairs to more complex projects, and get them done quickly. Plus, it offers 69 stitch applications, which gives you a lot of versatility in your sewing. It's rated 4.5 stars with over 9,200 reviews, indicating a solid reputation among users. Now, some users mentioned it can be a bit loud when running. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for a machine that gets the job done efficiently, that noise might not matter to you. This is a great fit if you're planning to sew heavier fabrics and want a reliable machine. Skip this if you need something ultra-quiet for small projects at night. For $189.99, it offers a lot of power for the price. Product number 3, Brother CS5055. The Brother CS5055 is up next at $169.99, and it stands out with 60 built-in stitches. If you want a little more variety in your sewing options, this one's worth checking out. The 60 stitches mean you can easily switch between utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, giving your projects a unique touch without extra effort. With 4.6 stars from 3,500 reviews, this machine has received positive feedback for its functionality and ease of use. Now, some people have mentioned that the workspace is a bit limited for larger projects. Here's the thing, if you're mostly working on smaller items or garments, this machine should serve you just fine. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with different stitch styles. Skip this if you plan to take on larger quilting projects. At $169.99, it offers great value for your sewing creativity. Product number 4, Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Next on the list is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, priced at $209.99. This machine takes the heavy-duty concept up a notch with 23 built-in stitches and 97 stitch applications. If you want versatility and strength, this one's worth considering. The automatic needle threader is another great feature that saves you time and effort. It's received a solid 4.5-star rating from over 21,000 reviews, proving it's a reliable choice for many users. Now, some complaints have come up about the manual being a bit unclear for beginners. But honestly, if you take the time to read through it, you'll find that this machine is quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. This is a great pick if you're looking for a durable machine that can handle varied projects. Skip this if you want something straightforward with fewer features. At $209.99, it's a solid investment for serious sewers. Product number 5, Brother CS7000X. Finally, we have the Brother CS7000X, which comes in at $249.99. If you want a machine that shines in both sewing and quilting, this one's definitely worth a look. The 70 built-in stitches, including quilting stitches, offer a lot of creative possibilities. Plus, the included wide table and 10 sewing feet make it easier to take on larger projects. With a 4.6-star rating from 3,500 reviews, it's well loved by those who quilt and sew. Now, some users found it slightly complex for absolute beginners. Here's the thing, if you're willing to take the time to learn, the capabilities of this machine will really pay off. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate sewer looking to expand your skills. Skip this if you want something extremely basic. At $249.99, it's a great investment for anyone serious about their sewing. So to recap, the Brother XM2701 is great for beginners looking for simplicity. The Singer Heavy Duty 4411 is powerful for tougher fabrics. The Brother CS5055 adds versatility. The Singer 4423 offers durability and speed, and the Brother CS7000X shines for both sewing and quilting. Choose based on your needs and happy sewing.